Okay, nandito tayo sa, anong masasabi mo sa place? It's good or? Yes, good. So, ito yung Ponto Miguel Beach. Ayan. Ito yung aming kwarto. 3,000 all in plus 1,000 safety deposit. So, you have some right? This is where it's. So, ito yung kanyang kwarto. Dalawang kama. With air conditioning, with toilets inside. Same as here. So, place is good. Mayroon kang veranda dito, kakainan. Okay. And that is the sea. So, mayroon kang ditong Japanese style setup. Sa ilalim ng nyog. Mayroon kang Japanese style na setup. Yan. So, ito yan. Tapos, bungat yan. Okay. Ito na yung dagat. Which is very, very good. Tapos, ang haba ng iba hanggang doon. Ayun. Hanggang doon yung coastline. Magsawa ka dyan paligo. Ang ganda ng buhangin. So, ayan, pinong-pino. Tapos ang linaw ng dagat. That is the sea. Ayan. Wow. Daming pista. Oh. Ayan. Ang ganda. Linaw. Hanggang doon. Kabundukan. Yan yung kahabaan. Oh. Sa halagang 6,000 with the environmental fee of 200. So mayroon ka ng napakagandang lugar. Yan. Okay, sweet. Alright.